Good morning, world. I'm TJ and I'm here to give you guys some motivational speech, okay? Hey boy, some of boy and girl need to go look work, you know. And they get up every day for a man, buckle at name a chat man, you know, and no want nothing in a life, you know. There may I tell you no, some of the girl on shape like a blood St. Lucia economy. Hey, some of the boy and the girl alone Are Yam Head Too, a bigger Yam Head Too, you know. Can they get up every day a brag and boast and toast and host and all of this buckler thing and where will we go when Corona done?
Listen to me don't want nobody ask me that.
I want to not own no bed. See, I want to not take care of the mother and no pick me. Hey boy, I don't get me grieving now, I go look walk, you know. And come off of people clot name as morning light, you know. When I go on the roadside, go sit down and drink beer and clot smoke weed, you know. Go find something there, you're pussy world with your life for 2021, you know.
Now, man, you know we can have a Jamaican president? Nah, that might not work. It's not that I don't think Jamaicans are capable. I think you're very smart, very hard-working people. I just think you're very angry. And if we had a Jamaican president, we would have a new war every week. Every week, he'd be standing in front of the White House, just mad, just, what Russia said? Russia said something? Say it again, Russia, say it one more time. No, say it one more time, I'll match up your country. Say it again, say it again. You don't see the button, you don't see the button. You don't want me push that button.
Subscribe to Justin Blake channel. Click the notification bell if you want to receive a notification each time a new video is published.